Hi, my dear Dignity friends. This is Hayal Köksal from Istanbul, Turkey. I'd like to share my deepest feelings with all Dignity friends, starting from my dearest sisters, Evelyn, Linda, and their organizing committee. After organizing the 15th annual conference in Istanbul, this is my second participation to the Human Dignity Workshop. It's a great honor and joy for me indeed to be addressing to you. Firstly, I must admit that I loved the title of the workshop very much, specifically the beginning part, from a virus pandemic to a pandemic of dignity. As an educator, it's my dream to bring peace, dignity, and quality to the world children for 45 years. I try to bring together quality and dignity on the way of training happier and healthier world children. Since the beginning of the pandemic, we have been in great trouble at schools concerning the virus and our lives. After the lockdowns in March, Turkey, just like many countries, started distance education for K to 12 schools and universities. The world's citizens have met once more with a different type of pandemic, and has widened rapidly, affecting all countries. The vaccine studies are giving good news. We could see the light at light within the darkness. Now, my wish is to be able to spread dignity to the world people, just like the COVID 19 virus, but in a positive manner, covering all their hearts and brains with love and empathy, not to cause any humiliation on others. I'd like to invite all our Dignity friends to participate in our 18th International ICT SIGAS project, which has been supported by many international bodies to train qualified and dignified problem solvers. We have 7 teams this year, and teams from India, Sri Lanka, Nepal, and South Africa have already registered in addition to the Turkish ones. These are the themes. Problems appeared with COVID-19 virus, health personnel, respect to the human beings, treatment of coronavirus, and hygiene is one of the themes. And another important one for Dignity France is women rights and violence to women. You can read more in the web page of the ICT Seagulls. I'm very happy to be in such a network. Our goal is to foster healing from cycles of humiliation throughout the world, ending systemic humiliation and humiliating practices, and preventing new ones from arising. Human Dignity Friends work hard to form a frame of cooperation and shared humility on the way of creating and attaining a better world of equal dignity for all of us. As Michael Britton pointed out, we have found a home in human dignity and humiliation studies where love, respect, inquiry, honesty, sistership, and trust form the heart of the movement. I was in New York City once, and it was a magnificent sharing atmosphere in one of our workshops. I never forget about that. I also remember the exciting days of Istanbul Annual Conference in 2008. You do wonderful things, my dearest hosts. Evelyn deserves a Nobel Peace Prize because of that huge network. In fact, she got that prize many times given by our souls because of cultivating love into our hearts for dignity. I'd like to end my talk with the motto of Istanbul Conference: peace at home, peace in the world, by our great leader Atatürk. Human dignity is the byproduct of unity and peace. Dr. Kamran says peace and quality go hand in hand on the way of attaining and sustaining human dignity. Bye bye. Loves from Istanbul.